Assembly. For the assembly process, I'll demonstrate using the mindless character. Pot. For mindless, use a brown pot with khaki white soil, and for unhappy, a khaki white pot with brown soil. Take out the liner and cut it to fit the bottom of the pot. Then place it inside. Next, take out the soil and sew it onto the inner half stitches at R22 of the pot. Stuffing it with an appropriate amount of filler as you sew. Cut and hide yarn. Main body. Take the main body, stuff it with an adequate amount of filler, and sew it at the R1-R4 position of the pot. Hands. Heated glue stick. Cut a piece of wire 1 inch longer than hand and glue it to the inside of hand. Stuff both hands with filler. Repeat the same steps for the other hand. Positioning the left hand 1.5 inches from the bottom, and the right hand 2.6 inches from the bottom. Cut a piece of yarn the same color as the main body, and then sew each onto the sides of the main body. Head. Use a hot glue stick to attach the corresponding hat to the head. Note that for this demonstration, I'm using the hat I previously showed for stitch demonstration purposes, but you should use the black hat that you've crocheted for Mindless. Take out 2 eyes, one larger and one smaller. Attach the plastic eyes. And then glue them below the hat. Next, attach the corresponding mouth below the eyes. Flower. Use a hot glue stick to attach the corresponding large flowers onto both hands. And the small flowers onto the pot.